Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all our viewers interested in buying a car in Germany. As you may know, Germany is famous for its rich automobile history and well-maintained roads, making it a rewarding experience for car enthusiasts. However, navigating the process of buying a car in Germany can be daunting, especially if you're new to the country or need to speak German fluently. But don't worry, I'm here to help you with practical advice. So let's dive right in. There are 4 main steps to follow when buying a car in Germany. Let's go through each of them in more detail. Step 1. Research car models. It's important to decide what kind of car you want and need. Consider factors such as size, fuel type, engine power, safety features, environmental impact, and car design. To help with your research, you can use online platforms like mobile.de or autoscout24.de. These websites offer many new and used cars from dealerships and private sellers. You can filter your search based on various criteria to find your perfect match. Another option is to visit car fairs or auctions to see and compare different cars in person. However, keep in mind that these events can be crowded and competitive. Take your time and gather as much information as possible before making a decision. Step 2. Setting a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on a car. Consider your income, savings, expenses, and personal preferences. Additionally, remember to factor in the additional costs of owning a car in Germany, such as car taxes, insurance, maintenance, and fuel expenses. Setting a realistic budget that covers both the purchase price and ongoing expenses. Step 3. Exploring financing options. If you don't have enough cash to buy a car outright, don't worry. There are different financing options available in Germany. Leasing is a popular option for renting a car for a fixed period and paying a monthly fee. It's great for driving a new or expensive vehicle without a large upfront amount or worrying about depreciation. Consider limitations such as mileage restrictions, maintenance requirements, and insurance coverage. Another option is getting a bank or car dealer loan. It allows you to own the car and has more flexibility. However, be cautious about the interest rate, monthly payments, and the total cost of the loan. Ensure you can comfortably repay the loan even in unforeseen circumstances. Lastly, you can always use your savings to buy a car. It's the best option if you have enough savings and want to avoid paying interest or fees. Just consider the opportunity cost of using your savings for a car instead of other financial goals. Step 4. Visiting car dealerships. Now it's time to visit car dealerships and find your dream car. You can choose between brand dealerships, which sell new and used vehicles of a specific brand, or independent dealerships that offer used cars of various brands. You can even buy a vehicle from a private seller, but remember that it involves more risk and less protection. When you visit a car dealership, remember to bring your ID, proof of address, proof of income, and proof of insurance. Take the car for a test drive, inspect its condition and features, and ask for the vehicle registration document and service history. Negotiate the price and warranty to get the best deal. Once satisfied, sign the sales contract and pay the deposit. After purchasing the car, register it at the local vehicle registration office within 2 weeks. Make sure to bring the necessary documents, such as the vehicle registration document, sales contract, proof of insurance, proof of identity, proof of residence, TUV certificate, and license plates, if applicable. You'll also need to pay a registration fee. And there you have it. Those are the main steps to follow when buying a car in Germany. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on buying a car in Germany. Thanks for watching and see you next time.